Hi guys, so I just kind of wanted to like show you what I was talking about with the acne stuff. So I have 3 different products that I'm trying out right now, kind of comparing them all. One of them was a free sample that I got in the mail. One of them is one that my mom bought for me at the grocery store, Clearasil. I got this because I got the pads, like the makeup remover pads, so I figured I might as well try that as well. And the third one is Grease Lightning from Lush. So what I did, sorry, I'm going to get really super close up so you guys can see. I used the Clearasil down here and right there. And then I used the Zit on my upper, around my nose, and up the sides of my nose, and by my nostrils, you know. And then I used the Grease Lightning on the top of my forehead, and on this side over here. So I kind of have some scabbed, and then some under skin and upper skin ones. And then for this, we have some scabbing, and then some scabbing over here, some underskin ones, and popped ones. And then for the Zit, we have some scabbing, some underskin ones, some popped ones. I made sure everything had like a even fighting chance. This is the same setup that I did last time, and this side over here was a lot worse, so that was the Grease Lightning, kind of helped this section right here. So I'm kind of hoping that using it up here will also help, because before, I believe I did the Clearasil right here, and then the Zit on my forehead, and as you can see, kind of like my 2 problem areas that I really have trouble like not picking at and stuff. So I'm hoping that the Grease Lightning will help. So it's kind of between these 2. This side already kind of cleared up this, so that's kind of going for that right now, and this is going for this and down here. And then we'll see if this gets a fighting chance in this area right here. So I kind of wanted to show you guys my mapping out of what I've been doing. And I'll keep you guys up to date on how things work. Again, I'm going to apologize for my appearance for the next few videos, but I'm trying not to really put on any makeup because I don't want to really affect it at all or agitate it while they're trying to heal. I kind of want like a fair rating, like fight between the 3 of them, so I don't really want to like cake on makeup in certain areas and then not have to put on so much makeup in other areas and stuff like that. I haven't been shaving either. I've kind of been plucking a little bit. Maybe I'll probably stop doing that too, just so it doesn't get spread around and spread and stuff while I'm trying to fight it off. So for the next few videos, I apologize for my appearance, but now you guys know what I'm up to. Hopefully you guys will understand. So see you guys later.